how to do a rolled hem. Two ways to do a rolled hem. One is to grab this edge and fold it over, and then sew down underneath it and then on the top edge. Underneath the fold and the top edge. Underneath the fold. See, I'm not grabbing the fold itself, the edge of that fold, and underneath it, and then the top edge. And I've done that a few times, and I'm ready. I can pull this taut, and I get a neat little rolled edge. The other way I can do that is to roll it as I go and sort of sew underneath it. So you kind of manipulate this cloth here until you get a roll going, right? And then once you got a roll situated, you can just come underneath it and do this little blind stitch where you just grab a little thread, grab a little thread, grab a little thread. Grab a tiny thread underneath that roll. And you have this sort of the same effect. Looks the same, two different ways do the same thing. Looks the same when you're done. Just depends on how you like to do it. If I'm working on a piece of 18th century clothing, of course, I'm dealing with much finer cloth. I'm dealing with much finer stitches, little teeny tiny rolls, little teeny tiny hems. So in my example, I can see that my stitch is large and visible. That's for show. I wouldn't do that on an actual garment.